Hi friends, welcome to my channel Multitalented Tech. Step 1, downloading required files. You need to have Windows 11 ISO file and bootable USB maker and 8 GB pen drive. Now download Windows 11 ISO file in Microsoft website. After, we need to make USB bootable pen drive. Scroll down our video description box and click on Download Rufus. And download Rufus in official website. And again scroll down our video this description box and click on Download TPM 2.0 error fix and download. Once all three files are downloaded. Step to create Windows 11 bootable USB. Okay, let's create Windows 11 bootable USB. Open Rufus. Now insert the pen drive. Rufus was automatically decked the pen drive. Under boot selection, select your ISO method and select your ISO file and click on Start to complete this process. It takes 10 minutes. Windows 11 bootable USB was created. Extract the error fix and open the file. Now open the pen drive and copy the error file and paste in USB sources folder and paste. The next step is we install Windows